This is Irontrader, and this is the last call of the day. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. Remember, the API for crude oil will be out today at 4:30. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purpose only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil here and natural gas. Now, we got that storm really barreling down here on Florida, turning into a hurricane. Don't know if it's going to do how much disruption or damage it's going to do, but it seems like crude oil will be much higher, same way with natural gas. Also, you got a big brouhaha going on there in the Middle East, and actually the U.S. is sending soldiers over there, and yet reaction to crude isn't really there. Also, China there today, what they did is they put a almost like a stimulus package into what, because they've been pretty slowing down. So you can see where the tech stock is taking off here. Hope everybody watched my video there at midday and got into NVIDIA, because that thing is ripping up here. You're up over $5. Looks like it's going to go much higher. Okay. Anyway, let's take a look here at crude oil. All right, so let's look at the downside here first. So we're above this 21A. This is going to be the key level for support. You want to look at this 70.97, very key, and then we want to look right below that at 70.59. That is going to be a key level there of support. So just watch these two. These are going to be very key. Now again, if that's lost, we'll come to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 69.49, and then we'll come here. You're looking at 69.13, and then this is a crucial one, 68.58, because it hit it very more than once. Okay, so this is very cross. So you just take this white line, bring it right across. That's going to be very major support level there also. And then if that's lost, we come down here 67.97. We'll look here to 69.81, and then we'll look to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 65.63, and then your retest there at 65.27 level, okay? But again, that 21-day and 8-day has to be lost on a closing basis, but I would like to show you where the big target is going to be. Okay, today, so what we're looking for here is you're looking at this 71.81. That was yesterday's high. Then we'll go to today's high at 72.43 level here, okay? So again, if you can break above that, then we'll come right to the bottom here. You're looking at 72.83, and then we'll come here at 73.52, and then we'll come up to the top of this candle at 74.16, and there's your big target right up here, sitting at 72.28 level. Okay, so realistically, what you're trading is that 50-day at that 74.28, and then the key support levels are your 70.97 and your 8-day here at what's got 70.59 level. Okay, but right now we just have this sideways action. It seems like crude oil will be a little higher, but we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So what you want to watch here when the futures open at 6 o'clock is you want to watch today's high, which was 72.40, and you want to watch today's low at 70.44. We're trading against that, and then keep in mind that 21-day and that 8 simple moving average. Okay, RSI here looks good, plenty of room to run. MACD looks good. You got that green over your red. That shows bullish momentum there to the upside. Looking very good here off of this key sell signal right there at that 65.27. But you'll notice that the next day it put in an inside day, and then once it does that, okay, that usually tells you that that's going to go up. So if you want to know about candlesticks, or if you want to know about chart patterns or seasonality, just go to my playlist. It's all right there for you. But when you see this side by side, this is actually a bullish move. And then the next day it held the top of that candle, made a higher high, and then boom, off to the races. Okay, natural gas here, she's coming off, but natural gas had a really good run. Okay, we had this contract roll gapped all the way on up. We're in the process of contract roll right now, but you had this really good gap up here, and then look at it. Once we got above that 8-day, she just rallied up very nicely. So let's look at the upside here first. So what you want to do is you want to look at yesterday's high. You're looking at 2.646, and then we look at today's high at 2.67 level. That's always very key. And then again, if we can get above all that, then what we do is we just track all the way up here. Okay, so you look to the bottom of that candle, you're looking roughly 2.70, and then we'll come to the top, you're looking at 2.76, and then we have 2.78, we'll have 2.84, and then there's your target up there at that 2.86 level. Just bring that right across your price channel right across. Now, this price channel, these blue lines are price channels, very nice. Now, you can use Bollinger Bands, you can use clouds. Price channels are really, I think, my opinion, are the best, because all they are just tops and bottoms of candles. Okay, very simple. Okay, but the beauty of what I like about it is, as this say was selling off, well, on the other side, it's leaving all your resistant levels. Okay, so when you just bring that right across, there's your resistance. Bring it across, there's your resistance. Okay, and so on, and that gives you a really nice on the way up. Okay, just like on the way down, but now gives you good target areas on the way up. That's what you're shooting for. Okay, so let's look at the downside here. Always got to look at the downside. Okay, so what we want to do is look at today's low. Okay, so today's low we had 2.538. Now again, if it goes below that, then we'll look to the top of this candle. We'll just take all the resistance levels and just go in reverse. Okay, so that's what you have is 2.48, and then we'll come right over the top of this candle, roughly 2.45 level, and then what we do is we come right to this 8 SMA here at 2.41. That is your key support levels. Okay, so what you do is just do the opposite of what you do when she's going up. Now, this could come all the way down here. As long as you hold that 8-day on a closing basis, this is very, very bullish. This is a very, very bullish chart once we can keep right on the rip. Plus, we have that seasonality. Now, you notice here that what did RSI here? Didn't get to 70, pulled off a little bit. That doesn't mean it can't go right back up again here, okay? Your MACD, your green is over your red. That's looking also very, very good, okay? But again, we're still got plenty of room here to the upside. This can come down and move right back up, just like we had here. See this? Where it comes down, moves on up here. Very, very easy. No issue there, okay? So we had this nice double bottom here, and then contract roll, gap, and then go. So, okay, so this is what you want to do is watch today's candle when those futures open. Watch today's high at 2.674 and watch that low at 2.53. That's what we're trading against. If it goes lower, just watch that 8-day, okay? If it goes higher, your big target is going to just bring this right across here, okay? This is what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be looking for that 2.76, and then we'll be looking here for that 2.86. That's what we're going to do for your big targets on the upside. And then as a progressive, we just keep bringing it right on over until you get your big, nice retest there at 3.15. But great scalping today in the old natural gas there. I'm long UNG here, but today I scalped a little cold, KOLD. Okay, you had a really good trading range, 57.59 on the bottom, 61.02 on the top there. Really nice, good trading range. I got 2 points out of KOLD, you know, trading, what am I trading? Oh yeah, 2,500 shares. So no problem. You know, great trading day here on the short side, but I'm still long because of the seasonality that's going on here and possible disruption. Okay, so I'm still long, but what you got to do is I trade this every day in both directions. Okay, never have opinion. Trade it long, trade it short, whatever works out, whatever makes your money. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back there tomorrow morning here, right around the 7 area, and we will do it all over again. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.